dog. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
This is my dressing room though.
I know. It's okay. I know
okay?
hurt. I'm looking for Messi Gray. Hey, no,
sure
no. You don't touch me.
Is he alright?
You don't touch me.
Okay, okay.
I love you. I love you.
Oh, you love me?
I love you.
Oh, that's great. You want an autograph?
I love you. What's your name again?
What?
I love you. What's your
How do
name?
you love me? What's my name?
I love you. What's your name?
MC Light.
MC Light. Like the light.
Where are you from?
Pomona.
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 Pomona?
Pomona.
What? Oh, Pomona.
Yes.
How you get an accent like that?
Messi Gray, I love a Rome, so I get an Italian accent.
Oh, good, good.
Ask me anything in Italian.
Ask you anything in Italian. Tutto pronte?
Bobby Brown, I love you, I love you. Go ahead.
I forgot what we were talking about.
We were talking in Italian.
Oh, we were? Are we talking in Italian?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry, what's your name again?
Yaga Yakim, Y-A-R-G, Y-A-C-M.
Oh,
Yakim.
Oh my God.
Don't mess with my name.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
I hear you a friend of Messi Gray.
Yes, I am.
I look for her.
Oh, you do?
I give you $5. You give me her phone number, her address, and her location.
$5?
$10.
That ain't gonna cut it.
$20.
$20?
I love her. She is goddess. She is love. She has hands. She has feet. She's beautiful.
She's beautiful. This is true. But I can't tell you.
$25.
She killed me. Are you kidding?
I give you sex.
Sex?
Yes, I give you sex. I give you place to stay tonight. You must be gone by 5 in the morning, but you can stay.
That won't work. You need some better shit to offer, because what you offering...
But I love you.
For me to tell you...
I love you.
You don't even know my name. What do you mean you love me?
Your name is Light. Your name is Light. Oh, excuse me, Light. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave me. You know Messi Gray.
Yes.
Where is Messi Gray?
Macy Gray.
Tell my fan. Tell my fan where's Messi Gray.
Where she doesn't want to be found, because this motherfucker is crazy.
I'll give you $50. $50 and my sex.
And your sex? $50.
My sex.
My sex. My sex.
I love you.
No, you don't.
I love you.
No!
I love you.
With my emotions.
Where is Messi Gray?
May I have someone really quick here?
I need someone who want my sex, who want the $50. I have $50. I'd have a sex. I give it to them. All they have to do is say it. I don't understand.
Someone in to meet you, okay? His name is a bigger boy.
Oh my God, the